Castelli Yellow. This is an unrestored version of a Castelli pedal tractor. It is painted yellow with a black seat and steering wheel. It has a closed grille. It has smooth dome rims with no hubcaps. The Castellis also came with wagons. It has decals on the left side and the right side and the dash. It might have been produced in Pennsylvania. Here is a close-up of the Castelli decal. Here you can see the muffler. And here's a closer view of the decals on the dash. The front tires say Castelli. The rear tires also say Castelli. It has a unique steering wheel and a pan-type seat. Here you can see the Castelli Yellow with its custom-made yellow wagon. This Castelli also came in red. Castelli Red. This tractor is exactly the same as the yellow Castelli, except that it is missing the muffler on the right side. It has star rims with no hubcaps, and it is painted red instead of yellow. And it has a different steering wheel. The yellow Castelli was missing its pedals, but this one has solid rubber pedals held on with a push nut. Here is a close-up of the star-type rims on the front and the rear. And here is its unique steering wheel. This tractor is also in excellent condition.